Wike can't stop the release of Rivers funds to Fubara. And now to the news in full. Honorable Ibini Emmanuel is a former governorship candidate of the People's Redemption Party (PRP) in Delta State. In this interview, the mutual friend of former Governor Wike and Governor Fubara strongly disagrees with the recent judgment of court barring Governor Fubara from accessing funds belonging to Rivers State. He insists that the court erred by restraining the National Assembly from taking over the functions of Rivers State House of Assembly pending the final resolution of the legal crisis by the Supreme Court. He said, they asked him a question. "You have been insisting that Governor Fubara did not commit any gross misconduct to warrant attempts by Honorable Martins Amewole-led members of the Rivers State House of Assembly to remove him from office. Do you still hold this position, given recent judgments delivered by the Court of Appeal and the Federal High Court, declaring some of the actions and decisions of the governor as unconstitutional, disregard for rule of law, and gross misconduct?" He replied, he said, "I can't give you a straight answer because there are two faces to this matter. What I call the pre-October 30, 2023 and the post-October 30, 2023. Regarding the pre-October 30, 2023 phase, yes, I still maintain that by objective interpretation of the letter and spirit of the 1999 Nigerian Constitution, as altered, my dear brother Governor Fubara did not commit any gross misconduct, and therefore the report attempted by my beloved brother, former Governor Wike, to use Honorable Martins Amewole and 26 other legislators of the Rivers State House of Assembly to remove the governor from office was terribly wrong. It was the height of misuse of constitutional power of the legislature of Rivers State, and for this reason, I have remained very firm in strongly condemning it. It was a tragic mistake made by Wike which he deeply regrets till date. I can tell you this for free. He wished he never did it. He did not expect the swift reaction he got from Governor Fubara. It is important that I lay this foundation because every decision made and action taken by Governor Fubara after this failed plot to remove him on October 30 of last year are in self-defense and desperate for his survival in office. So, not even Wike himself stood by and allowed similar attempts to remove him from office when he was governor. Abi, when you were there, you did not allow them to want to impeach you or do anything. My brother, former Governor Rotimi Amechi, also came under similar attacks and had to fight back in self-defense. Sadly, in self-defense, some decisions are made and actions that appear to be unlawful and unconstitutional are taken. Very unguided utterances are made that directly attack the dignity and integrity of honorable justices and of our courts, because some justices of our court allow themselves to be easily procured by Nigerian politicians desperate for political power, and in the process, these justices desecrate our nation's revered judiciary and almost destroy it as the hope of survival of our nascent democracy. I'm happy that the Nigeria Judicial Council recently punished some of these justices whose actions brought shame to the judiciary. This is exactly the case of the post-October 30, 2023 in Rivers State, which formed the basis of the judgment of the Court of Appeal and the Federal High Court against Governor Fubara. At this point, I want to sincerely apologize to the honorable justices of our court who rightly felt so badly hurt by some outbursts by Governor Fubara when some few judicial decisions were taken that he felt were unjust. To err is in man, they should please forgive him. And now, to answer your question directly, yes, some decisions made and actions taken by Governor Fubara post-October 30, 2023 are clearly against the rule of law. Some laws of Rivers State and the 1999 Nigerian Constitution, as altered to this extent, I agree with some aspects of the judgment of this court against him. God will bear me witness that I had a long time before these judgments were delivered privately advised my dear brother Governor Fubara against some of his decisions and actions, but under severe pressure and influence he chose to ignore mine and accepted those offered him by respected senior lawyers like Mr. Femi Falana's son, and also some politicians and retired justices of our court who hails from Rivers State. But let me add that I also do not agree with some aspects of this judgment of court against him. With due respect, I hold that our justice still fill me with anger against some of Governor Fubara's outbursts against some decisions of the court, decided to find reason to indict him. This also confirms my earlier point that We are all human and bound to err. Okay, the interviewer asked again, now let's be specific. Let's start with the judgment of the Federal High Court, where on October 30, 2024, Justice Joyce Abdulmalik ordered that access should not be granted Governor Fubara to the state's consolidated funds because he refused to present the 2024 budget to Honorable Martins Amewole-led Rivers State House of Assembly. Do you agree with this? He said no. I respectfully but don't completely agree with this order because the respected Justice Abdulmalik did not consider the critical aspect of what transpired that led to the refusal of the governor presenting the 2024 appropriation bill to Honorable Martins Amewole and the 26 other legislators who remain loyal to and doing the bidding of former Governor Wike. The judgment only focused on the literal interpretation of sections 120 and 121 and 122, particularly section 121 subsection 1 of the 1999 Nigerian Constitution as altered, which makes it mandatory that under normal circumstances, when there is no pending legal dispute before competent court of law, as to the leadership and membership of the State House of Assembly or factionalization of the legislature, as was the case of Rivers State before December 13, 2023, the governor shall cause to be prepared and laid before the House of Assembly at any time before the commencement of each financial year estimate of the revenue and expenditure of the state for the following financial year. While sections 120 and 122 says no money shall be withdrawn from the Consolidated Revenue Fund of the state and spent without authorization by a law of the House of Assembly of Rivers State, in my candid opinion, the main and critical question that should have been asked by the court are whether, as at December 13, 2023, when Governor Fubara refused to present the 2024 appropriation bill to Martins Amewole-led function, if there were already suits filed by the function led by Martins Amewole and another by Honorable Edison led functions before the Federal High Court and Rivers State High Court, respectively. Was there serious infighting and divisions among the 31 members of the Rivers State House of Assembly as a result of the failed impeachment plot against Governor Fubara on October 30, 2023 by Martins Amewole-led function? Is it true that on December 11, 2023, Martins Amewole-led function exposed themselves to valid litigation against their continued existence as valid member of the legislature when on their own volition or acting on the order of Wike bill? Was it their own volition that they left the party, or it was Wike that told them to leave? So really, he said, this is why I strongly disagree with the judgment of the two courts. The justices can't put something on nothing and expect it to stand. In this case, they can't condemn Governor Fubara as they did when the National Assembly refused to present itself to the governor as the interim legislature of Rivers State, to whom he must present the 2024 appropriation bill and other requests the state legislature must consider and approve. True, these people are no longer lawmakers, so why should I be presenting my budget to them? Until INEC conducts another election, you can present it to the new people that will be elected. That's just it. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.